How to get rid of mosquitoes fast, all naturally. I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. Stay tuned. That's right, guys. Today's video is how to get rid of those pesky mosquitoes and how to do it all naturally. We are talking about how to get rid of those biting female. That just reminded me of a story. Hey guys, when I was back many years ago in corrections, I came into work one day and we had what were called holding cages. And there was an inmate in this holding cage, and we're just going to call him Jones. And I said, "Hey Jones, why are you in the holding cage?" Thinking he was there for a hearing or there because he got into some incident. Well, Jones did get into an incident. Jones decided in the middle of the night that he was going to go ahead and take a chunk out of his cellie's ear.
My ear!
Which he did because his cellie had the TV too loud. Now, this is way before Tyson went rogue on Holyfield's hearing hole. Okay, so Jones was way ahead of the time here. So we are talking biting today, but we're talking biting insects, guys. Hopefully not that extreme. If you don't want it that extreme, don't go into corrections or piss off your wife. But that being said, guys, we're talking mosquitoes. Now, when they bite you, they actually pierce you, and then they suck your blood because you are the reproduction vessel. They need your blood to reproduce, and you're sick of them taking over your backyard come spring and summer, and you can't even enjoy the area. So how are you going to get rid of them? And how are you going to do it, most importantly, all naturally if you don't want to use a pesticide? You're going to do that with Kleer. K-L-E-E-R. Vector Kleer from Controlled Solutions. This is a fantastic all-natural product, guys. It is made from castor oil, lemongrass, cedar oil, and just some other ingredients. But basically, they are taking the plant's natural defense mechanisms and making a all-natural pesticide for you. This is so safe, it doesn't even have an EPA number. So it falls under the FIFRA Act. And what that stands for, when you see that 25 in parentheses B, that FIFRA stands for Fungicide, Insecticide, Fungicide, Rodenticide Act. Man, if I have that wrong, they're going to correct that in editing, but it's Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, Rodenticide Act. Boom! Gotcha! Memory right here, baby. Okay, so that's how safe that product is. You can use this in all your green accounts where they do not want pesticides. We're talking nurseries, playground areas, indoors, outdoors. It's not only going to take care of those mosquitoes, it's going to take care of fleas, ticks, and even those house flies. That being said, you know what I tell you in other videos, when I'm going after those fleas and those ticks, I am using an IGR. Can Vector Kleer by Controlled Solutions be used with an IGR? Yes, it can. They recommend Tekko, T-E-K-K-O, which we have at howtopest.com, and that is an IGR, which stands for Insect Growth Regulator, that you're going to mix in your desired amount of Vector Kleer into your spray equipment of choice with your water. So Vector Kleer, lost my train of thought there after I told you how smart I was. It generally mixes at 1.5 ounces all the way up to 6 ounces per gallon of water. Now, how it goes up in the volume of ounces depends on if heavy infestation or light infestation. So it's generally going to be that 1.5 ounces, maybe 2 ounces per gallon of water. But read the label. It'll walk you through it. And if you need that label, you just go over to howtopest.com. You punch in Vector Kleer because you want to purchase it now. You scroll down when it pops up. It'll say label. Punch on that. You can blow that thing up really big and see exactly how to apply it. But again, it is on the bottle itself, just a lot harder to read. Now, getting into how to apply Vector Kleer, you can apply this in a lot of different versions of application equipment, and I want to show you a few right here. Okay, guys, I'm back here with you. Hopefully you can hear this. I have my fogger on. I'm ready to wipe out those mosquitoes. Let me show you how this bad boy gets. I'll get the camera to show. You see all that coming out of there? You see that? Okay, guys, that's how well a fogger does. It reaches deep in to those areas that you can't get to, and it'll travel 20 to 30 feet up. Now, quick preference here, all you trolls out there, I know you are just looking to be heard right now, and you're going, what is he doing with no PPE? Personal protective equipment. It's water, guys. These are triple rinsed, triple drained, the whole 9 yards, nothing but water in here, which is why I'm not in PPE. Let's talk about PPE. It, even for an all-natural product, is long sleeve, long pants, shoes, socks, and I would put the glasses on, and if you go overhead, throw that hat on too, and if I didn't say gloves, it's gloves also, but we're doing water, so gotcha, you ain't got nothing to gripe about now unless you want to just talk about how bad I look. Go for it, I'm all game. Now, guys, you're saying, Craig, I don't have a fogger like this. That's an expensive unit. How can I do it? Well, that's why I got multiple units out here, guys, with Vector Kleer, and I think I kept saying Vector Kleer. It is Vector Kleer by Controlled Solutions. This is an over-the-counter, just backpack sprayer, 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Same setup, guys. You're going to take this bad boy just like this. You're going to slap it on your back. You're going to pump it up. You're going to have your Vector Kleer in there. And same thing. Do you see how that works? Look at the camera picking that up. It still carries pretty good. It's just not going to carry like a fogger, guys, where it gets deep in there. Well, you're going, well, I need to get deep in there. I got to get back in the brush where those mosquitoes are, those shaded areas, and I don't want to crawl back or trek through there. Well, then you're going to get yourself a fogger. But here's some good news. Foggers have come a long way, guys. You can actually jump on Amazon and you can find some pretty decently priced battery-powered foggers, which is what I would do. Get away from the gas-powered. This is just old school. We've had it forever, but it works great, so we just keep going. Battery powered is a great way to go. I think Ryobi makes one, so check that one out and see. They'll tell you how far they carry, how much it carries in the tank. Now, our fogger carries 4 gallons in the tank. 4 gallons will get me a decent sized yard. It'll get a lot of coverage. It's got the same amount that this bad boy has in it, but the particles are so fine that it just carries and goes a long way. So a little goes a long ways in a fogger. Now you're going, hey, I kind of like that backpack idea, but I want some battery power. I don't want to crank that bad boy on my shoulder all day. That's going to wear me out. I got some property. I do this all the time. Okay, guys, this is the Flow Zone. Take a look. This is one of the ones I took off one of the trucks. Flow Zone 4-gallon power sprayer, 18-volt battery pack. This thing, that one battery, it lasts us, and we spray day in and day out. One battery lasts at least a week and a half before we switch batteries, if not longer. So, got this bad boy turned on. Watch the Flow Zone go, guys. Look at that. Now the Flow Zone gets a little further. It's almost like a fogger. It's pretty darn close, but the fogger still is going to carry a little further. So it's just going to be a preference, guys. Just pick the spray equipment that you need. Can you use the 1-gallon Chapin that we sell on howtopest.com? Heck yeah, you can. But just know it's not going to go as far. They're just going to go a little further as you go up the line in your equipment, the more heavy-duty your equipment gets. So I just knocked over that thing right there. Didn't break though. Put that down. Okay, so we've talked about how much you're going to use of the concentrate. It's that 1.5, 1.5 fluid ounces all the way up to 6, and that's going to determine on, or going to be determined on how heavy or how light your infestation is. But how do you treat? Guys, when you treat outside, you treat the bushes like I showed you with the fogger and the other sprayers. You need to treat until wet, almost to drip off, but just slightly before, but get them really wet. You need to get under the leaves. You need to get around all of like the ivy, if you have that on the ground cover, the lawns, you need to thoroughly treat that, and then make sure the water is off for at least a couple days, like I've mentioned in past videos, just so you give it time to adhere. So indoors, how do you treat? That's going to be the spot crack and crevice type treatment. It's going to be a spot spray, just a light coarse spray. Now let's say you're doing the trash can for flies, you're going to tip the lid up or lift the lid. Treat that, until, wet, nice and damp underneath there. Same thing with the top, and then let dry and you are good to go. But just make sure, especially out in the brush, the trees, things like that, that you get back into those shaded areas where they hide. And that's even going to be for the fleas and the ticks also. So get up underneath things and you will be successful in using your Vector Those are the different ways of applying the Vector Kleer from Controlled Solutions. You can get Vector Kleer over on howtopest.com. And guys, just go over there. If you don't want Vector Kleer and you want another chemical out there, go over there and just punch in mosquitoes in the search bar. It will pop up every pesticide we sell. A couple other natural ones on there also, along with the Vector Kleer, but just a great all-natural way of doing it. And you can use this inside. Now, they say, I think on the bottle, I think it says pleasant scent.
That smells good.
It's a good way of putting it. It's minty. It's kind of sometimes Bengay smell, icy hot type thing. Let your customer smell it if you are going to apply it indoors. Outdoors, it's just a pleasant smell. Or if you're doing it in your house, spray a little dot so your wife doesn't throw a fit. In my household, my wife likes the smell. I don't like the smell because indoors it can be a little overwhelming sometimes. So just be aware of that. Guys, that is it on Vector Kleer from Controlled Solutions. If you need it, jump over to howtopest.com and grab it. We appreciate all the thumbs up out there. I know I'm rattling off a lot of information real quick here. Just trying to get it all off my mind over to you. I don't go off scripts. You know that. That's why I always make mistakes. Appreciate the subscribers. If you have not subscribed, do us a favor, man. Go down there, hit that subscribe button. You will get our videos multiple times a week. And if there's anything I can help you with, once again, in that comment section down below. Other than that, have a great day, guys.